Yeah, this one's for everyone who thought they couldn't get back up. Listen. I remember cold nights, staring at the ceiling. Every dream I carry lost its meaning. People said I'd never find my way, but every scar became another reason to stay. I walked through storms with empty hands, built my future from shifting sands. Every fall taught me how to climb. Now I'm stronger one day at a time. I was knocked down, but I never stayed there. Every heartbreak taught me how to repair. Chasing dreams, never saw what was behind the scenes. Every setback lit another flame. Now the whole world remembers my name. I found hope inside the darkest place. Learned that pain can never steal my grace. The road was rough, the climb was steep, but faith was something I could always keep. Every scar tells a story, every tear became my glory. Mountains fall, walls come down. You can't stop me now. No fear, no chains, only brighter days. I'm built from broken, nothing can silence this fire inside. Every battle only taught me how to survive. I'm still standing with my head held high. The strongest hearts are the ones that learn to fly. This is my story, and if you're still breathing, your story isn't over.